The rumors around Samsung's 2024 line of smartwatches are far from new, and we've been onto them since speculation of the Galaxy Watch 7 and a rebooted Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 arose earlier this year. While the latter rumor was initially tipped to be launched as the Galaxy Watch FE, a leaker has revealed that the rebooted watch won't be adopting this name after all. In a post shared on X, journalist and reliable leaker Max Jambor claimed that Samsung could be working on the Galaxy Watch 4 2024, replying to a user to affirm that it won't be called the Galaxy Watch FE. Though the chances of this name making an appearance are now very slim, Jambor clarified to Android Authority that the Galaxy Watch 4 2024 could carry the features of an FE model, but these have not been named yet. The Galaxy Watch 4 2024 will feature a 1.4-inch circular dial with a Super AMOLED display and a 396 by 396 resolution. The watch should come with Wear OS pre-installed, and it will feature a rotating bezel. The Galaxy Watch 6 series comes with 16 GB internal storage, while the Galaxy Watch 7 series could double it to 32 GB internal storage. The Galaxy Watch 4 2024 seems like it could indeed be a budget Wear OS smartwatch too. The original Watch 4 was released in 2021, running Wear OS 3 instead of Samsung's Tizen software. We're guessing that a 2024 model would only have incremental changes to keep costs down. According to a report from Android Headlines, the Galaxy Watch FE has model number SMR866. It reportedly has at least 3 variants: International, USA LTE, and Korea. When you notice the Galaxy Watch FE's model number, it looks like it could be a slightly modified version of the Galaxy Watch 4, SMR860. So, Samsung could be repackaging the Galaxy Watch 4 with possibly a newer processor. It's anticipated to be priced lower than Samsung's recently launched smartwatches while offering similar functionalities to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. It is not officially confirmed, but according to the report, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch FE is anticipated to share many similarities with the Galaxy Watch 4, particularly in its design and features. Like the Apple Watch SE, a revamped Galaxy Watch 4 could present an opportunity for people who just want a smartwatch with all the basics, but at a reasonable price, all with a potential design upgrade and the latest Wear OS and One UI 6 compatibility. Samsung currently sells the Galaxy Watch 4 for $200. It will be interesting to see how many changes are made to the watch and how much the price of the Galaxy Watch 4 2024 will be. You can expect the Galaxy Watch 7 series to be released at the same Galaxy Unpacked event, where Samsung will launch the Galaxy Z series fold and flip phones. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.